Hey everyone, this is Aditi here, and I'm going to show you the demo video of how to hyperlink the external web page in SPL XForms. Now let me load the template over here. So as you can see, the template has been loaded successfully. Now go to content of labeling section, and so I'll just add some text over here. Okay, and to hyperlink the text, simply highlight the word or a phrase that you want to link, and so I'll just select this word and click on insert or edit link, which will display a pop-up. Click on link and enter the link over here of the web page. So click on insert now. So when you go to SPL view, so now you can see if I click on this word, so it will show the web page, it will redirect to the web page. Yeah. Thank you.